Our home, Earth, is speaking to us.
Can you hear it? The cries of the forest.
Every second, a piece, future fades.
But together,
we have the power to rewrite our stories.
Join the movement. Plant a seed. Clean up after ourselves.
Small actions lead to big changes.
Switch to renewables. Ride a bike. Recycle. Your choices shape our world.
We're the guardians of tomorrow. Let's heal the earth for us, for all.
Raise your voice, spread the word. Hashtag Generation Restoration. Act now for a better tomorrow.
As a student, this is our moment. Tamaraws, we can restore the balance because there's no planet B.